Welcome back. This is Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos, and today we are going to be talking about Etsy Plus. I know that a lot of you guys had some questions concerning it, so I thought I'd go a little bit more into detail with this. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more tutorials or tips or vlogs that I have coming your way. So let's get to it. So here in my subscription area, you will see that the standard is on the left, which is what everybody gets when they sign up for Etsy, and Etsy Plus is on the right. So that's that extra $10 a month that you would pay for just a little bit of extra. So let's dive into this. So the first thing we're going to be talking about are credits. Now these don't roll over month to month. You'll get new ones every single month. The first thing is listing credits. Credits for renewing your listings or creating listings. You get 15 credits per month when you do Etsy Plus. With standard, obviously you have to do the 20 cents for renewing and making your listings. With Etsy Plus, you will receive $5 each month for advertising. With the standard, you can still do advertising. You just have to pay the amount that you feel you would like to pay for advertising. Now the features are same for either the standard or the plus. Obviously you're going to have access to millions of people searching through Etsy to buy products. You're going to have all those kind of advertisements that you want. You just might have to pay for it and all that stuff. So all that stuff's included on either side. Now down here we're going to go into the banners, so you can make your shop stand out just a little bit more. So I'm gonna hop over to my shop because, like I said, I have Etsy Plus, so I'm just gonna kind of show you guys. I'm not gonna change my banners today. I'm just kind of showing you what, the feature is that you can do. So here I'm gonna go into change my layout, and I can make a carousel where I can actually show off products and the customers can click on them and go straight to the product. So when they come onto my page, those will be the first things that pop up. But you have to make sure that they are the right size for the banner or it won't work. So I didn't have anything all set up to do that, but you guys get the point. It's pretty much just something a little bit more highlighted, a little bit more appealing to customers. Also with Etsy Plus, you can have restock requests where if you run out of an item, your customers can click on they want to know when inventory will be back in stock, so that way they can purchase that item once it's back, and you don't get that with the standard Etsy. Also with Etsy Plus, you will be able to customize your own web address, so that way your customers can find you easier. Instead of having to search you on Etsy, they can just type in your shop.com, and that's how that works. You get 50% off, I do believe is what it said, if you use their hover or hoover. I don't know how to say it. My husband's gonna make fun of me for that. So I'm gonna hop on over there and I'm just gonna take a look. I'm gonna type in my web address because I remember I did do this when I first started and then I didn't do it. Maybe I should do it, I don't know. So I'm just kind of showing you guys the web page here. It gives you a little bit more detail about what you can do. So we're just going to go in and I'm going to type in my name here and see if it's available. And as you can see here, it is available and I can own that domain for $12.99 for a year, which I don't know if that's good or not. I haven't really looked into other places. If you know if that's a good deal, let me know. I'd like to know just in case I do want to purchase that. But you can also do .online, .org, and then they give all kinds of other names that you can choose to. There was one, like, it was Aunt Sandy, Sandy's Organized Chaos. I don't know why I would want to choose that, but yes, there is all kinds of things that you can choose from. If you can't find your domain name, or if somebody else already has it, I guess they give you other options to use, or different like .com, .online, like I said. So there's that. And this will be connected right to your Etsy shop. So they would just type in www.sandysorganizedchaos.com and it would go straight to your Etsy shop. So let's come back in here and see what else we have. Now here's all kinds of more business cards and boxes and stuff. You get a discount through there if you have the Etsy Plus. So here's Moo products. They do stickers and letterhead, stuff like that, note cards, all kinds of stuff. So I just wanted to check it out. And what you do is you just upload your logo, and then you can stick it on the products, and they give you a discount for using what they offer. But here are some of the products. You can have your logo placed onto it. There's notebooks, like I said, business cards, all kinds of stuff. So I'm just going to kind of look through that real quick, and then we'll hop back over to the Etsy Plus and continue on with what we're doing. Another place they offer is BoxUp, which is where they do super customizable boxes. So if you really just want to take it to the next level and have super neat looking boxes, you can come on here and get that 20% off. So that way you can completely design your own boxes and make it just stand out even that much more. Now I don't really do this because I use my boxes through USPS. I get my free boxes because most of us are on a budget. But I wanted to come in and just take a look at it anyways. I have looked at this before, but these are pretty awesome. If I could, I would totally do this. It is pretty neat to be able to have a completely customizable box that you can ship out. I do think it's a really cute idea. But here you can see the prices. So if you order so many, obviously you get more of a discount. So, that's something to think about if you guys would like to do that or not. All right, so let's hop back over here and take a look. There's a little video you can watch, fancy little video. And then there's some questions down here, some questions that people ask all the time. So like, what if I don't want to subscribe to a package? Like I said, it's completely optional. You don't have to do it. Can I still access Etsy's tools without starting a subscription? Yes. You can access all those things I just told you about. You'll just have to pay a little bit more is all. So that's the whole reason with the Etsy Plus. It gives you a little bit more of a discount. When will I be charged is another question here. And you will get charged, your first charge will appear on your statement the day that you sign up for the package. You'll be charged on that same day each month after that. So that's how that does that. What if I change my mind on choosing a package? How can I cancel? You can switch between packages or stop paying for a subscription at any time. And then they'll stop, your subscription, after that next month is over with. So that way you still have it for the rest of the time, because obviously you paid a full month. So once that next month is done, then they will take it off. How do the credits work? You'll receive a listing in Etsy adds credits each month on the same day. They don't roll over, which I just kind of said that. So you'll get them every single month on that same day that you started your account. Do Etsy Plus members have special rights? No. Everybody is treated equal. You just get discounts is all pretty much. And also, if you have multiple shops, do you have to pay extra for other subscriptions? Yes, you do. So I have 2 shops, so I would need to pay $10 for my Tumbler shop, $10 for my glitter shop. And that's pretty much how all that works, guys. Whether you decide to, do the Etsy Plus is completely up to you. Like I said, we don't get any special rights. Our stuff doesn't get bumped to the top or anything like that. Everybody's listings are equal, no matter if you're standard or you pay that extra. The only time your items will get bumped to the top of searches by customers is if you do pay for ads. They will push your item to the top and let it be seen first. Now, I obviously did not start out using Etsy Plus to begin with. I just kind of looked into it, and I honestly just kind of like the way it makes my shop look. It's pretty much why I use Etsy Plus, but it's completely up to you guys if you decide you'd like to do this. Really, does it make a difference in my sales? I don't know. I honestly don't know. But if you do want to use the discounts that they provide for those certain companies, like those super customizable boxes or the stickers or business cards or notebooks or all those other things that I showed you through those 2 shops that they offer. Or if you'd like to have a domain name and, that seemed like a good deal, then obviously, maybe Etsy Plus is for you. But like I said, it's completely up to you guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask down below and I will answer it to the best of my ability. Again, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.